I get those goosebumps every time.
Popping the pill in my left hand, got my she rolling up to the side, but she up to.
What's up, good gang? Kimaki family. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my just-in-case emergency bag for y'all. You feels me? So yeah, this is a just-in-case emergency bag for, you know, my girls out there, my guys out there, just for everyone out there, you know what I'm saying, who needs a just-in-case emergency bag. This is crucial and needed in your backpack. So yeah, okay. Don't forget, follow all my social media, they'll be in the description box. Don't forget, comment #CareGames to get shout out in my next video. I got a lot of #CareGames. So these are the video shout outs for the #CareGame. Today's channel shout out goes to Lou Ashford. Her link to her channel will be in the description box. She'll be making videos really soon. So go subscribe to her. So that Care Gang love, you feels me? Yeah, those are the shout outs. If you guys want to get a shout out in my next video, comment #Care Gang and you get a shout out. Let's get into the video that way. Put it in my backpack, and my backpack's like really heavy. I have a back to school supplies haul where you guys can go watch, you know, my supplies that I have in my backpack, because basically what's in here, all my supplies, because it's really much needed. So my thing is, you guys, I did not eat until I came from school. Those shits taste so good. There. This is my bag. I'm gonna go close so I can show you guys. So yeah, it's iridescent and has polka dots. It's really cool. You could have any bag that you guys like. I want to get a new one, but yeah, this is just what I have to work with. Okay. So we're gonna open it up. Now I'm gonna show you guys what you can put basically anything that you need in here. But this is just going to be like, you know, for my girls, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know things for boys, and yeah, because I'm a girl, obviously. So the first thing, I had this in here for like years. Like, it's time for me to get a new one. But I like to put like a small mini lotion. The only reason why I rarely use this is because I always have lotion on deck. No matter what circumstance, I always got that lotion. You feels me? I'm never ashy. But that's why I barely even use this. So, but if you guys need to, obviously, you know, you don't really care that much lotion, just get like a small mini lotion. But it's time for me to throw this away because I barely even use it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's been in here for years. And when I tell you the holy grail, you need some deodorant. You feel me? You feel me? So yeah, you never know when you're gonna use your bag until it comes to an emergency. Where my applause at? Thank you, thank you. So then you're just gonna need any deodorant. It don't even matter. I wish I got like a smaller one, like the minier ones, like that are smaller than this, because I don't know, I feel like it takes up all the space. But yeah, that's all you need. Now it's time for the ultimate thing. You know, it's the ultimate thing. If you guys do not know what this is, it's spicy. I'm just playing. So basically, you want to have a pad in here just in case. Like, this never happened to me. I never had to use one, fortunately, you know what I'm saying? Let's hope I don't ever have to use one that's like an emergency. I'm like, oh my god, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you need a pad, you know what I'm saying? There's sizes, all that. If you guys want to have a girl talk video, I would be so down to make that video. You know, I'm gonna just make it. So yeah, I'm gonna make a girl talk video where we talk about all that. But yeah, just come in different sizes and stuff. Not based on like the size of you, but basically the size of your flow. So if you have like a large flow, you need like a bigger one, you know what I'm saying? Need one. This is just like, it's showing up as like a white, but it's actually blush pink. But yeah, you just need one. It's really crushed up because my backpack has been crushed, so look. So yeah. Now this is the other thing right here. You basically need some hand sanitizer. This is just some basic hand sanitizer. I always change my hand sanitizer every school year. No, actually every like every time we have like a break, like Christmas break, every break that we have, I always get a new one. Cause I don't like to have the same hand sanitizer. That's just me. Like I feel like hand sanitizer, you gotta change it up or else it gets dry or don't work. So actually I use this like on a daily basis, so it's just like a scented one. Look how like low it is, and it's basically like 3rd week of school. So I love using hand sanitizer. Oh my gosh, bro, I didn't even notice this. Listen. Okay, so the next thing that I was about to tell you guys was to get a roll-on perfume or something like that. When I realized this is my favorite one, and it broke. Oh my. And like there's like glass everywhere. Look, hold on. See? There's like glass everywhere, all in my bag. I could have cut myself. Anywho, I got another one. So this is what I was about to tell you guys to do. Get a roll-on perfume. Roll-on perfume are the best. Like, cause sometimes I have teachers that like,
I know you cannot spray nothing, you cannot put on lotion, you can't put none of that.
So roll-on perfume is really good. Like this one I don't really use. So, like the ball is really dry. So yeah, you just roll it on to like whatever, and I like to shake it in the air. So like brr. Anywho. So yeah, just a roll-on perfume, or you could have like a small mini perfume. I used to have carry a small mini perfume until teachers were like, oh no, no, you're not spraying that, young man. And I'm just like, yes I am, sis. Like, it's a must. Now the next thing is for all my gloss babies out there who love lip gloss, chapstick, all y'all lip care and all that, you know what I'm saying? This is for you. It's chapstick. You can use any chapstick, it don't really matter. This is just some basic cherry flavored chapstick. So yeah, it's basic chapstick. I don't really like to use chapstick, but sometimes I have to, because like when I go PE, I don't like to run with gloss because your hair can get in it, and it's a no. Here's this Blistex Moisture Melt. I used to not like this because it didn't have like a gloss, but ever since like it got melted and it's like a gloss, like I freaking love, wait, it's not focusing, and it's like a gloss, like I just like it so much, and it has like little things in it. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. A girl talk video is coming out soon, you know what I'm saying, so I'm gonna be talking about girl talk. That's probably gonna be my next video. I'm not really sure yet, so don't forget to comment #care gang to get shout out in my next video. Like I said, you know what I'm saying, don't forget for all my social medias, they'll be in the description box down below. I can't give this video a thumbs up, hey. So yeah, peace. You girls out.
Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money to twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk. Make that big booty twerk.